In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $14,321 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Instagram. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Instagram. I will share with you how do I find people who are interested to buy those services or products from my affiliate links, and so much more. I will share with you new method that you should start using if you want to earn some commission on affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. I made this commission in the month of April, last month, from the first day of April until the last day of April. Okay, I made $14,321 in commission. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do next, you need to go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's really super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you just need to check this website and you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and this is, from my experience, this is the best and profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay, because they are really paying a good commission. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country over here. It's super easy. Choose your language, and if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. You just need to answer next few questions. They are really super easy. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, you have here Fiverr affiliates, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. Super easy and simple. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on Instagram to people who are interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so I will share with you guys this a profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Instagram. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. So here is what you need to do. Go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay, go back to your home page, click on the search for Twitch viewers. Okay, search for Twitch viewers and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next, you need to choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who provide a good service for their customers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So let's choose, for example, like this one. As you can see, this one has a lot of reviews. This service is just for $10. A lot of people can buy this service. So I will click on his service. Let's choose this seller. Okay, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You can see over here this seller has a lot of reviews, 13 orders in queue. People keep coming back, and as you can see, people already are buying this service. So it's working. Okay, it's already working. So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link like this and you will go back to your Fiverr home page like this. Go back to your Fiverr home page and just click over here. Okay, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link. Put this seller profile link here. Click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. You guys all have Instagram account. Okay, it's super easy. But I would suggest guys to create an Instagram business page that will be especially for those services to promote affiliate links services on Instagram. Okay, it will be really better to create an Instagram business page. Okay, with your logo, and choose a good name for your Instagram business page and start using your Instagram page to promote those services. Okay, so anyway, open your Instagram business page or your Instagram account like this. Click over here on the search for this hashtag. Search for hashtag Twitch streamer. Okay, like this. Search for this hashtag Twitch streamer. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who has Twitch channel. Okay, let me show you. Let's check this one. Let me see this one. For example, I will click on his name, and here you go. You see over here Twitch. Okay, this person has Twitch channel. This person is a gaming video creator. Okay, as you can see, he has also a YouTube channel. So what you will do next, you will click over here on message. Okay, you need to send a professional and a friendly message to this person. Okay, to promote your affiliate link service. So to create a professional and friendly message, go to Google. Let me show you. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Okay, search for this website. This AI website will help you create an amazing and professional message that you can send to your customers on Instagram. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your homepage. Click on message and put this message. Okay, I asked ChatGPT AI, hey AI, I need a friendly message that I can send to people with my affiliate link on Instagram to promote Fiverr service about Twitch channel promotion on Instagram. I want to convince those people to buy this service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT created this professional message that I can send to my customers on Instagram. Okay, so hey there, are you looking to take your Twitch channel to the next level? I have found an amazing service on Fiverr that specializes in promoting Twitch channels on Instagram. There, whether you are just starting out or looking to boost your viewership, this service has got you covered. Okay, trust me, it's a game changer. Okay, thanks, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will copy this message. Okay, like this. So just copy this message and go back to Instagram, to this person, put your message here. Okay, like this. Okay, and let me zoom this page so you guys can check. And here you have your Fiverr affiliate link, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and as you can see, this affiliate link, guys, is too much long. But before that, you guys can't see this. If you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. That's fine, but you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's have been almost like 5 years I'm doing this business. Okay, so you can copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. And as you can see, guys, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. I always like to make my affiliate links short. You guys can use this website if you want to make your affiliate links short, but it doesn't matter, it's not important. but for me I like it to make it short. You can put your affiliate link here, click on shorten, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. I will copy my affiliate link from here, go to Instagram, put my affiliate link here like this, and here you go. Okay, and I will delete this hashtags, I don't want this. Okay, and I will delete this part to make this message it's like a human message, and here you go. Okay, what you will do next, click on send, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. Okay, if this person is interested to grow his Twitch channel, which mostly will be okay, because this person has Twitch channel and he want to grow his Twitch channel, get more views, he will check your message. He will, if he click on your affiliate link, for example like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. And that's it. I show you guys how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services. I show you how you can create your affiliate account. I show you how you can create your affiliate link. I show you how you can use free traffic from Instagram. The business model is clear, it's working. If you can't get commission, the problem is you, it's not me, it's not my methods. Already I got a lot of messages from people who already made commission with those methods, because those people are working hard, they keep improving, they keep doing research, and that's it. So for you can also, like I said, you can find a lot. Let's check this one. Let me see if this one has Twitch channel. Yeah, and yes. Okay, you can see this person is a gamer. Okay, you can also send to this person this service. Okay, you can find a lot of people here who has Twitch channel. Let me see this one. I don't think this one has Twitch channel, but you guys can find a lot of people here who has Twitch channel. Okay, this one is streamer. Let me see. So this is the, and here you go, this one also is video creator, Twitch streamer. Okay, you see this one has Twitch channel. Okay, you can send the message to this person. Okay, this person is Twitch streamer. Okay, and that's it. And you can find a lot of hashtags here. You can find unlimited customers for free without even investing in paid ads. Okay, if you keep searching for hashtags Twitch, let me show you, you can really find a lot of people here. Okay, click on hashtag, search for, let me show you, search for hashtag Twitch, and here you go. All those, if you check all those hashtags, you can find unlimited customers who has hashtag, who has Twitch channels. Okay, those people will be interested to grow their Twitch channels. They will be interested to buy services related to Twitch. Okay, to their Twitch channels. Okay, if you give those people good service, of course they will buy the service to grow their Twitch channels. You will help those people and you will earn commission. It's win-win. Okay, those people will be happy, they will grow, and they will get a good service, good result to grow their Instagram, their Twitch channels, and for you, you will get commission, and that's it. Also guys, I'm not getting this commission only from Instagram. Okay, I like to make this clear. This commission didn't come from Instagram, just Instagram, because I'm using other social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook groups, and Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, and Quora, Twitter, and so much more. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm working on a course, guys, that will be ready in the next like 4 or 5 days. Stay tuned. This course will be about affiliate marketing. Will cover everything. Okay, for people who are interested in this course, please comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will make it done very soon. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.